Hey everybody, fantastic news, breaking news, I had no idea. Big Nick is an attorney. Big Nick is a lawyer. I didn't know that. Big Nick and I talk all the time, and he never told me he's a lawyer. Why didn't you tell me that, Big Nick? I could have saved money and came to you instead of this other lawyer. I came across this video, and this content creator said Big Nick is a lawyer and he travels the country educating cops. Big Nick, congratulations on your law degree. I need some advice, Big Nick. Contact me. Everybody go over to Big Nick, congratulate him on being a lawyer. And also go to the link in the description and tell the content creator thank you about telling us everything about Big Nick becoming a lawyer. We had no idea. Thank you, content creator, and congratulations, Big Nick.
Hey guys, welcome back to WOOF. So today I have a video from a guy called Big Nick. Now this guy, he's a lawyer, and what he does is he goes around the country, the United States, and he confronts police officers who are abusing their power. Now, personally, even though you can do something doesn't mean you should, but you are well within your rights to do it. And police officers should know if they are going to enforce the law, they need to know the law. And they cannot make up their own laws. They cannot abuse their power as a police officer because technically they are peace officers. And they need to maintain the peace, not abuse and cause problems or cause fear or intimidation wherever they go. And they need to maintain the peace, not abuse and cause problems or cause fear or intimidation wherever they go. Now, there are good officers, there are bad, but what this lawyer does is he goes around and he confronts the bad officers legally.